Vision, a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission, to improve the lives of people and communities through quality instructions, innovation, productivity, initiative, environment, and industry feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach program and services. Goals, the program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well versed in application installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage in lifelong learning endeavors, which are capable of contributing in research, extension, and resource generation in the field of information technology. Objectives. The Information Technology Program has adopted the following educational objectives. 1. The graduates will be competent professionals with an integrated understanding of computer systems, processes, and the main body of knowledge being in the information technology field. They will be IT professionals engaged in careers such as IT specialist, web or mobile applications developer, network engineer, database administrator, and system administrator. 2. Capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the professions which includes earning higher learning degrees or completing professional advancement trainings. Third, the graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually, a member or leader of a team, communicate effectively, and ensure social and ethical responsibilities in the communities and in the profession.